What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the WANDA motorcycle cover. And I want to say that I got this cover for me. Now, this is not my motorcycle, but I do plan on getting a motorcycle, you guys. So my nephew convinced me I'm going to go ahead and take a motorcycle test. All right, or the learner's permit, or whatever you do, which you do when you go get a motorcycle. So basically, it's like a 3-day course, costs like $400, and then you should get your motorcycle license. All right, so I bought this because I actually like this motorcycle cover, and I want to test it out on his bike right now, but this is the cover that I will be using when I get my own bike. And I like the bike that he had, that Harley Davidson, but we bought that from Coparts. Well, my father-in-law bought it from Coparts, but I like that Harley Davidson because it's like sporty, kind of. So I like that. But this thing got clips. Have clip right here. Oh, you guys, I put it on backwards. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, next. All right, you guys. So already on the back, you have like this, not really Velcro, but you know, this elastic strip. Well, not strip, but you have this elastic stretchable right here. So that's pretty cool. On that, you have this red hole right there. I don't know what that is for, but they did give you straps, so if you do need to strap it, maybe you can strap it through that hole. I'm not sure, but I only see one hole, and then you have a strap. All right, and we got the buckle right there. So you have a buckle here, you can strap it down, and then you have the opening here with the elastic. All right, you have the WANDA right here. I don't know why you need the breather. Y'all probably can let me know in the comments, but Velcro that will open the breather if you need to open it. You have reflectors right here, just in case nobody see your bike during the night and hit your bike while it's covered. But it would have been nice if they would have put some more reflectors on it, right? All right, you got WANDA in the middle, and in the front you have elastic, stretchable elastic again, and then you have another buckle right here, little clip. You have a hole right here again. Now I don't know what the hole's for, but y'all can let me know in the comments. All right, and if I find out what it's for, then I'll post it from the Amazon description. All right, and should be the same on this side. All right, you have your reflector, again, Velcro with the vented little hiding spot right here. All right, same situation, you have your buckle right here if you need to tie it down real tight. Me, I would just leave it on the bike like this. I think everything will be fine. And it also comes with these straps right here. So you have straps on straps on straps on straps. This thing is fully loaded with straps. That will be it, you guys. And hopefully I will get my motorcycle license soon. And yeah, that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.